through in reasoning, and also I will tell you that how we can prepare it with the diagram, how we can understand through the diagram. First I'll make your concept clear with the diagram, and after that we'll start with the concept, with the tricks, how to do it in a short way. Okay, so first I will make you understand by the diagram. So this is the major north, south, east and west. This is the four major direction. Also it comes with which is northeast and southeast, southwest, northwest. These are the four major. So this is the direction. Now, so if you are moving, this is the clockwise and this is the anti-clockwise. So before that, we'll understand the concept of left and right direction. So first we need to understand the left and right direction. So suppose a person is moving to north and he takes the right turn. So what is the right of north? We know it is east and it is east. So for north direction, we can consider ourselves that we are the person who is taking the right direction. And suppose a person, this is the right, and suppose a person is moving to south and he takes the right direction, then it will be completely opposite to the person who is taking the north side. So the east side is the opposite side for south. So he will go to this direction, which is west. So this is the north, this is the right side of south. Okay. So again, if a person is moving towards east and then he takes the right direction, so the right direction for east is south, then he'll be moving towards south. So first let's understand the concept of anti-clockwise and clockwise with respect to left and right direction. So everything which is moving clockwise is the right direction. So you don't have to consider every time yourself, okay, and maybe it is going to west and what is the north, right and left of that. You don't have to consider every time. So with this concept, you can give the answer directly. So everything which is moving in clockwise. So I told you this is the clockwise. So this way. So this is the right direction. So the right direction of north will be east, the right direction of east will be south, the right direction of south will be west, and the right direction of north will be west will be north. So this is the way the right will be moving. So right is always clockwise. So now we'll understand about anti-clockwise, how this is related with left. So everything which is moving to anti-clockwise is the left direction. So a person is moving towards east and he took the left direction. Then what will be the left direction? Left will be north. The left of north will be west. The left of west will be south. And the left of south will be east. This is the left direction. Now suppose if a person is moving towards southwest and he takes the left direction, then what will be the left direction of southwest? So the left direction of southwest is the anti-clockwise of southwest, which is anti-clockwise of southwest is southeast. So southeast is the left direction of southwest. And if suppose a person is moving to southeast and he took the right direction, So the right direction is clockwise. The southeast right direction is southwest. So again, it is southwest is the right direction. Now we will go with the first type 1 question. So type 1 question will ask for the moving direction, or it will ask for the face direction. So type 1 question. So first we will understand with respect to a diagram, then we will do it directly with the trick. So the question is asking, a man is going towards north after walking 60 meter. So this is the north, 60 meter he is walking, and he turns to his right and walks 40 meter again. The right will be this way, east. He walks 40 meter again. Again he turns to his right and walks 60 meter. Then what will be the right of this? Clockwise, right? This way, south, which is 60 meter, and finally turns to his left and walks 10 meter. Now in which direction is he moving? So this is asking for the moving direction. Again he turns to his left, so this direction 10 meter. So we have to give in which direction he is moving. So he is moving in which direction? So this is east direction. So without diagram you can also solve this. You don't have, maybe you will not require the diagram in the exam, because I'll tell you how to do it with a short trick. So walking to 60 meter, first he turned right. Okay, so first he's moving towards north, then he took right, and then again he turns right, and again he finally turns to his left. Then tell me what is his direction now. So now what you will do, you will cancel the left and right. Whatever the left and right is there, you have to cancel. There's one left and one right. I have cancelled this. One right is there. So what is the north ka right side? So north right side is east. So simply you can give the answer by this. You don't have to make the diagram every time. Okay. So suppose I'll just give some more example on this topic. So suppose a man is going towards south and he takes right direction. Again he take left direction, again he took left direction, again he took right direction. Now in which direction is he moving? So as I told you, we have to cancel left right, which is the direction left, south. So he is moving again in south direction. Okay, So now again, a person is moving in northeast. He's taken left, again left, right, right, and left. Now they are asking in which direction he's moving now. So again, we have to cancel left, right, left, right. Then what is the northeast and left? We have left with northeast, left. So what is the left side of northeast? Northeast is this. Left is anti-clockwise. So we'll move anti-clockwise. So north, east, left is northwest. So the answer will be northwest. Now again, if a person is moving in east, he took right, again he took left, he took right, he took right. Then in which direction is he moving? Okay, so we'll cancel left and right. So we have 2 right, left, east. 2 right means 180 degree, 2R. If it is 2R or 2L, 2 left, 2 right or 2L, then directly you have to write the opposite in which direction he's moving. So he's moving in east direction, you directly have to write west direction. He'll be moving. So if it is 2R or 2L, you just have to write the opposite in which direction he is moving. Okay. Now suppose a person is moving in southwest direction. Again he took left, he took right, he took left, he took left. Now in which direction is he moving? So simply I'll cut right, left. We have 2 lefts, 2L means opposite of what it is. Southwest opposite is northeast. So simply you have to write northeast. Again, so if a person is moving in west, he took right turn 4 times. Right, 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 right. Now in which direction is he moving? So 4R means 4R is 360 degree obviously. So if it is 4R or 4L, it will be the same direction. There will be no change. So west, he'll be moving again in west direction. So if it is 2L, if he's taking 2 right or 2 left, then it is directly opposite to in which direction is he moving. If it is 4R and 4L, that will be same direction. Then obviously it is 360 degree. 2R or 2L is 180 degree, which is directly opposite. So this is the concept with type 1, which you can solve directly without making a diagram. Now we'll go with the next type, which they will ask for the starting direction. So in this they were asking for now in which direction is he moving. Now the next type is will be asking for the starting direction, from which direction he has started. Type 2. Now it is asking a man turns to his right and walking 50 meters straight and walks 40 meter, again turns to his right and walks 50 meter, and finally he turns to his left and walk 10 meter. If now he is moving towards north, then in which direction did he start to walk? So it is asking for the starting direction, from where the person has started walking. So suppose he is moving towards this side. So this is the assumption. You have to assume that a person is moving towards this direction. So we don't know this direction, which direction it is. So a person is moving again towards his right and taking 50 meter. He's going towards, no, it is, okay. And again, this is 50 meter and this is 40 meter. He's walking 50 meters straight and again he walks 40 meter and turns to his right. So this is the right direction, and he turns right and walks for again 40 meters. Again he is finally walking to his left 50 meter, and 10 meter he took again left side. So now this is the north direction. Suppose this is the north direction. 10 meter if he start moving towards north. So this direction is the north direction which is given in the question. So suppose this is the north direction, then in which direction did he start to walk? So this is the east direction, and the question which is given, which is the north direction. So suppose this is the direction which we have to assume, which we have made the assumption that in this direction is he moving, which is the starting direction. So suppose this is the starting direction. Now if this direction is north, then what will be this direction? So for north, see, this side is north. Again, for he is moving in this direction, which is west direction. This is the west. He started moving in west direction. So you have to give the answer. Answer will be west for this. Okay. So like that, we'll do few more questions. We don't know the starting direction, which direction he has started. A person is taking right direction, again he took right direction, again he took left direction. Now you have to do, and it is given that now he is in north direction. You have to find this direction from where he has started. So what I have told you earlier, that we have to cancel left and right. So we are doing this not by figure method, we are doing this with a short trick. Now for whatever is left behind, you have to just make it opposite. Left. Understood? So in first we were not making the opposite. In this one we have to make the opposite. Suppose this is remaining, right is remaining, so you have to make the opposite. So now what is the opposite of north? So north direction, left. So this is the north direction. What is the north? Left of north direction. So the left of north direction is west. So the answer is west. So the same question we did with this method, not with the figure method. So I'll prefer you not to go by the figure, because it will take a lot of your time. So you have to do by this method. This is the short way you can, give answers within a second. So now we'll do practice some more on this. Suppose a person, this is the starting direction, which we don't know, we have to find out. A person is moving towards right. He again took right, he took left, and he took left again. Now they are asking this direction, and now he is moving in southwest direction. Okay, so again we'll cancel left right cancel. This we have to make opposite, which is right. So southwest ka right. So what is the right of southwest? Right is always clockwise, as I told you earlier. The right of clockwise is northwest. So the answer will be northwest for this one. Now we will do the question, the fourth type. No, the third type, which is angle. The angle will be given. Angle. Now, the question is, a man is facing north. First, he turns 45 degree in clockwise direction. So, suppose a man is facing towards north. He take 45 degree clockwise. This is the clockwise, 45 degree clockwise. North, east. This is northeast. This is 45 degree. And finally he turns 135 degree in clockwise direction. Now in which direction is he facing? So again he took the direction. So this is the first, this is the second position. Again he took clockwise direction, anti-clockwise. Okay, sorry. Again in clockwise, then he turns 90 degree anti-clockwise direction. So northeast, 90 degree anti-clockwise direction will be northwest. This is the third position. And finally he turns 135 degree in clockwise direction. Now in which direction is he facing? So again this is moving to clockwise direction, 135 degree. So this is the fourth position. He's coming here. This is the 135 degree. So now he's asking, now in which direction is he facing? So you can understand this is the east direction. He is facing in east direction. This is the answer. So now we have made with the diagram. Okay. Now we don't need diagram because we'll do by some short tricks. Now what we will do is, we will first add, suppose he is going in north direction, anti-clockwise is 45 degree. Now the clockwise is again 135 degree and anti-clockwise is 90 degree. Anti-clockwise. Now we will add all the clockwise and anti-clockwise and we will deduct, we will do the subtraction, whichever is bigger. Okay, so now 45. So it is coming around 45 plus 35 is 180 minus 90. Obviously we'll deduct whichever is bigger. So this is 135 plus 45 is 180 degree clockwise and 90 degree we have anti-clockwise. So we will deduct from this, we will get 90. Then what will be the 90 direction? So 90 direction will be clockwise because clockwise is bigger. So we are doing clockwise. 90 degree clockwise. Then again, what is the 90 degree clockwise of north? north, east, west, south. We have got 90-degree clockwise. So 90-degree of clockwise is east direction. So you can directly give this from this trick. Give the answer.